your office environment has changed, making the need to collaborate critical. Everything DiSC has proven to make workplace interactions more fun and effective by teaching people more about themselves and others. And now, no matter where your people are working, they can access the magic of everything DiSC on a new platform we call Catalyst. It's simple. People take a brief assessment and discover their unique DiSC profile, offering them rich, personalized insights about themselves and others. Then, Catalyst turns insights into action with the new Colleagues features where people can compare their DiSC styles and gain real-time tips for working better together. The Colleagues feature helps people understand what their colleagues' strengths are, what they care about, when to pull them into a project for support, and what stresses them out. Whoa. It shows similarities and differences, and even compares preferences across a range of workplace behaviors, like where people focus their energy or their preferred pace. Go further with tips on demand that help your people work better together in a variety of situations like navigating tension, connecting, or effective collaboration. Everything DiSC on Catalyst also provides easy access to applications you know and love, like Workplace, Agile EQ, and more, making ongoing learning possible. And here's the cool part. Catalyst supports classroom and virtual training, creating a learning experience that inspires lasting change. So, whether your people are in the office, at home, or somewhere in between, everything DiSC on Catalyst can help you shape a more engaged, collaborative workforce that works.